Understanding all-day event in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, all-day event. If you've been curious about what it means and how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. An all-day event refers to an activity or a series of activities that last throughout the entire day. It's a term often used in schedules and invitations to indicate that the event will begin in the morning and end in the evening. Now, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. For example, the festival is an all-day event, so make sure to bring everything you'll need. This shows the event's duration and indirectly tells us to prepare for a long day. All-day event is commonly used for festivals, conferences, workshops, and weddings. It helps to set the expectation that the event will occupy most, if not all, of the attendees' day. There are several variations of this phrase, such as full-day event or day-long event. Each carries the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. I hope this explanation helps you understand what all-day event means and how to use it. Remember, mastering a language includes learning its phrases and expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent before you know it. See you next time.